Divorce support for women. Guidance, counseling, and resources for a fresh start. Discover essential divorce support for women, including counseling, advice, support groups, and resources to help you heal and start anew. Finding your way. Divorce support for women. Hey, can we chat for a minute about something pretty important but often overlooked? Divorce support for women. I know it's a tough conversation, but honestly, it's something a lot of women go through and often feel very alone in. Whether you or someone you know is facing the end of a marriage, understanding the kinds of support available can make a huge difference in bouncing back and reclaiming your life. First off, let's address the emotional storm divorce brings. It's not just about legal proceedings. It's about loss, change, and a total upheaval in identity and routine. That's why divorce counseling is so crucial. Talking with a professional can help you process all those swirling emotions and give you tools to move forward. It's not just for when things get really rough either. Having a counselor can help you build strength and perspective right from the start. But counseling is just one piece. There's also invaluable divorce help and divorce assistance out there that goes beyond therapy. Think practical support, like help with co-parenting plans, financial advice, or even learning the legal basics so you feel empowered instead of overwhelmed. This kind of support is what keeps things manageable when everything else feels chaotic. One of the most comforting things about this journey is the power of community. Divorce support groups provide a safe space where women can share their stories, vent frustrations, and celebrate small wins. And trust me, those wins are everything. When you realize you're not the only one waking up every day feeling like you're starting over, it can be so reassuring. Sometimes just hearing, "I get it," from someone who's been there is more healing than you can imagine. Besides groups, there are plenty of divorce resources available online and in person. Books, podcasts, workshops, and even apps geared toward helping women through the process can provide wisdom and encouragement when you need it most. A book I really want to mention is Brokenness and New Beginnings. It's an incredible read that dives into finding hope and healing after divorce. The stories and advice there remind women that this ending can truly be the start of something new and beautiful. You can check it out at Brokenness and New Beginnings. Order your copy today to find hope and healing as you take that next step toward reclaiming your life. Something else I want to highlight is the importance of self-care. It's easy to let yourself fall by the wayside when navigating divorce, but really, your emotional and physical well-being should be front and center. Simple things like journaling, going for walks, or even just setting boundaries around who you spend time with can make a big difference. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's survival. And yes, there's often guilt involved, especially for moms or women in deeply intertwined lives. But here's the truth. You deserve happiness and peace just as much as anyone else. Divorce advice often includes reminders that taking care of you ultimately benefits everyone around you, especially your kids if you have them. If you're feeling stuck or unsure where to even start, try looking into support groups or counseling centers near you. Many places offer sliding scale fees or even free sessions. Sometimes community centers or religious organizations have programs specifically tailored for women going through divorce. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Getting through divorce is never easy, but with the right support, guidance, and resources, you can move through the pain and step into a new chapter. Whether it's through counseling, support groups, helpful books, or simply leaning on friends and family, know that you're not alone on this journey. Before we wrap up, I really encourage you or anyone you know going through this to visit Brokenness and New Beginnings, where hope and healing come together for women seeking strength after divorce. Order your copy today and embrace the new beginnings waiting on the other side. Thanks for listening, and remember, you've got this.